National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for Ohio County, Southeastern Dearborn County, Northeastern Switzerland County, Southern Kenton County, Boone County, Eastern Gallatin County, until 1 a.m. At 12:10 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Dillsboro, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Florence, Independence, Erlanger, Edgewood, Ellesmere, Aurora, Walton, Crestview Hills, Rising Sun, Oakbrook, Burlington, Union, Crittenden, French, Hartford, Patriot, Aberdeen, Ridgewood, and Big Bone Lick. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Kentucky between mile markers 71 and 77. I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 167 and 185. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Is the radio